inyo, ang iba sa inyo. So we have snacks on the side wherein you can enjoy later on after the grand launching of our all-new Triton. So again, I would like to greet good afternoon for everyone. So on behalf of the whole UMC and Caloocan family, we are welcoming you here in our branch to celebrate the grand launching of Mitsubishi All-New Triton. So for our valued clients, please feel free to participate in our test drive event and get a chance to receive some freebies and more discounts once you reserve for our all-new Triton. So I'm going to share first the mechanics para po sa mga customers natin na mag-test drive ng ating all-new Triton. So for the Triton Test Drive event for today, February 26, step 1 for the mechanics, which is the reservation. So once the customer will register dun sa ating mga secretaries dito near sa ating entrance, you will get a free ref magnet upon registration and also a full stop. For the step 2, the test drive waiver that the customer needs to fill out. Then for the step 3, after the test drive, kailangan po natin or please encourage our customer to scan the QR code para sa ating survey. So para malaman natin guys kung gaano ba nila na-enjoy ang kanilang test drive ng ating all-new Triton. Next, so for those customers who want to reserve, our cashier is open for the reservation. And then, for the step 5, the SE will now continue the procedure for the Triton na ma-order natin sa ating planta. Okay, so once the customer reserve, they will get additional as much as 10K discount for Triton only, but the customer will reserve for all the units except Triton, they will get additional 5,000 discount. Okay, for the second unveiling of our all-new Triton, let's count 1 to 10. Okay, para officially na masilip at mag-test drive ng ating mga customers ang ating all-new Triton. And 10,